A short video showing you how to change the tap cartridge on a Franke Maris Tap. You will need to change this cartridge if you have a continuous drip from the tap, or you have a leak out from the handle. These are signs that you need to change the quarter turn cartridge which is inside the tap, which I'm going to show you how to do now. First thing you need to do is to isolate the water and be sure that the water has been isolated. I'm going to do that now. Turning the water off and double checking it's off by opening the tap. I'm now ready to remove the handle and remove the cartridge. To remove the cartridge, you will need a 2.5mm Allen key and undo a grub screw which is opposite the handle, opposite the lever underneath the handle. Easier to open the tap, get your Allen key in and turn anti-clockwise. You don't need to take this grub screw all the way out, just slacken it off and the handle should come off. Setting aside. Next, you can see the cartridge here and a plastic collar which we need to remove. There's a brass screw in the end here which we will undo. Which will allow us to take the plastic collar off. Next we need to do is to actually remove the cartridge itself, and there's flats on there which you can get a spanner on, but because the shroud comes quite far over, it can be quite difficult to get anything in there, so it's a lot easier to use a 14mm socket, and because it's a short valve it allows me to get in there. So these can sometimes be quite tight, but and turn anti-clockwise, which will remove the valve. That's the valve removed. Get your new one, which is here. This is called an MVO2, which is our replacement part, and I should use the socket to put it back in. Until it's tight. Then we need to replace the other parts back in the same way we took them off. So next, the plastic collar. This plastic collar's got a hole in it. I'm going to leave that at the top, which is the way it came off, and just make sure that it turns forward to open and back to off, and the hole is at the top. Then replace the screw. And then finally the handle. A tip to do here is to tighten up that grub screw in the hole right until you can just see it poking through the hole inside, so you haven't got to do too much tightening when it's in an awkward position. Then get your handle as vertical as you can and tighten the grub screw. And that should be the valve successfully changed. Reinstate the water and then test. And that is the valve successfully changed. Thanks for watching.